Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Your PC may be running for days or even for weeks and you don't even know it. Here is how to check it out. Go to Task Manager, and go to Performance, and check the uptime. You'll find the real time that your PC is running. How to turn it off? Just go to Search and type Power. Edit Power Plan. Go to Power Options. Choose what the power button do. Then click this option here and turn on fast startup. Just turn it off and save change. And this is what will make your PC when you shut it down. It will not stay on in the background. Thank you everyone.